What do you think?
When you become responsible.
So when you become responsible, that's what you say. So how do I know that I'm not responsible?
Hoe manana tanjona ohatra ny dia manana tanjona koa ilay olona anankiray dia mba ahafahana manatratra ny tanjona iray sy ny iray iny dia miaraka.
Tanjona amin'ilay izy dia atao mariage.
So people get into a relationship. So what if you just want to be in a relationship but you are not planning to marry that person?
You can't.
Everything in life is a purpose. Everything in life is a purpose.